everyone, and this is all about downpicking continuous downstrokes with power chords. Downpicking is the most prominent technique in punk, and that's because it majorly contributes to this edgy, high-energy, punchy sound. Bands like the Ramones, the Misfits, Dead Kennedys, they're all known for their catchy, speedy downpicking riffs. And this one we're going to look at is in the style of Blitzkrieg Bop, which is one of the most famous punk songs of all time. Let's go ahead and check out the riff. It's starting with a power chord. And just before I get to the riff, I want to let you know that I'm going to be going throughout this guide with a 2-note shape for the power chords, right? So if it's a power chord, I'm going to be using index and ring. If you want to add the high octave with a pinky, go for it at all times. But we're just going to be doing the easiest shape, at least during those videos. I'm going to start with this riff now. It's on A5, A power chord. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 downstrokes here. Before I move to the E power chord, just string higher. 3 downstrokes here. 3 more downstrokes here. They're not in the same rhythmic place, but just follow my lead, okay? So doesn't matter if it's on the up or the down of the beat, everything is a downstroke. Now this thing I just did happens 3 times. And the 4th time, what happens? We're just gonna stay for the entire sort of repeat on the A chord. These are longer notes. Again, everything is with a downstroke. So why don't I put everything together at a slower tempo? We'll see how it all fits together. Let's go. And there we have it. This is our first riff. Now, when playing this riff, you want to focus more on the energy of the right hand. Make sure you hit the strings hard, right? I mean, unlike metal, this is not about being super clean, so don't worry if you get a little messy while playing it. It's important to get this sort of a big motion from the right hand and hit those strings. If you think about muting, well, obviously this is something you want to take care of and make sure you are able to cut the chords short when needed, okay? Or when moving from another chord to another so that you don't get any strings ringing. But again, don't go too crazy. If it's a little bit noisier than what you usually play, still kind of allowed in the style. Remember, punk is about the attitudes.